Online voting system. Beginner level. Introduction. An online voting system is a useful beginner programming project that simulates how people can vote digitally for candidates or choices. Voting systems are used in many situations, such as school elections, college union elections, club leadership voting, surveys and polls, small organization decision-making. A simple online voting system allows users to view candidates, cast a vote, count votes, show results. This project is excellent for beginners because it teaches important programming concepts such as variables, lists and dictionaries, conditional statements, functions, loops, user input, data validation. It is also a strong real-world style project for a portfolio or resume. What is an online voting system? An online voting system is a program that allows users to vote digitally and stores the results. In simple words, online voting system equals a program where users choose an option or candidate, and the system counts the votes. A beginner version usually includes display candidates, allow a user to vote, count votes, prevent invalid voting, show final results. Why this project is important? This project helps beginners understand how software can manage choices, records, and counting logic. It teaches how to checkmark store candidate information, checkmark record user choices, checkmark count totals, checkmark validate input, checkmark prevent duplicate actions in simple systems. Because of this, the online voting system is a very useful beginner record management project. Basic features of an online voting system. Feature purpose. View candidates, show available options. Cast vote, let a user choose a candidate. Count votes, increase candidate vote count. Show results, display total votes. Exit system, stop the program. A more advanced version may also include voter login, one vote per user rule, admin dashboard, file, database storage. Example candidate record. A candidate can be stored like this. Opening curly bracket. Name, Alice. Votes, 0. Closing curly bracket. This makes it easy to track how many votes each candidate receives. Simple online voting system example. Python. Here is a basic version. Candidates equals 1. Name, Alice. Votes, 0. 2. Name, Bob. Votes, 0. 3. Name, Charlie. Votes, 0. Closing curly bracket. Def show underscore candidates. Print. N candidates. Quote. For key. Candidate in candidates. Items. Print. F key. Candidate. Name. Closing curly bracket quote. Def cast underscore vote. Show underscore candidates. Choice equals input. Enter candidate number to vote. Quote. If choice in candidates. Candidates. Choice. Votes. Plus equals 1. Print. Vote recorded successfully. Else. Print. Invalid candidate choice. Def show underscore results. Print. N voting results. Quote. For candidate in candidates. Values. Print. F candidate. Name. Candidate. Votes. Votes. Cast underscore vote. Show underscore results. This version allows a user to vote and then view results. How the program works. Step 1. Store candidate data. The program stores candidates in a dictionary. Example. Candidates equals 1. Name, Alice. Votes, 0. Closing curly bracket. Each candidate has a name, a vote count. Step 2. Show candidates. The system displays the available candidates. Example. For key. Candidate in candidates. Items. Print. F key. Candidate. Name. Closing curly bracket quote. This helps the user know whom they can vote for. Step 3. Accept user vote. The program asks the user to choose a candidate. Example. Choice equals input. Enter candidate number to vote. Quote. The choice is then checked. Step 4. Validate the choice. The system verifies that the candidate number is valid. Example. If choice in candidates. This prevents invalid votes. Step 5. Count the vote. If the candidate is valid, the vote count increases. Example. Candidates. Choice. Votes. Plus equals 1. This records the vote. Step 6. Show final results. The program displays all candidates and their vote totals. Example. For candidate in candidates, values. Print. F candidate. Name. Candidate. Votes. Votes. Improved menu-based online voting system. A more complete beginner version uses a menu. Candidates equals 1. Name. Alice. Votes. 0. 2. Name. Bob. Votes. 0. 3. Name. Charlie. Votes. 0. Closing curly bracket. Def show underscore candidates. Print. N candidates. Quote. For key. Candidate in candidates. Items. Print. F key. Candidate. Name. Closing curly bracket quote. Def cast underscore vote. Show underscore candidates. Choice equals input. Enter candidate number to vote. Quote. If choice in candidates. Candidates. Choice. Votes. Plus equals 1. Print. Vote recorded successfully. Else. Print. Invalid candidate choice. Def show underscore results. Print. N voting results. Quote. For candidate in candidates, values. Print. F candidate. Name. Candidate. Votes. Votes. While true. Print. N1. View candidates. Print. 2. Cast vote. Print. 3. Show results. Print. 4. Exit. Choice equals input. Enter your choice. Quote. If choice equals 1. Show underscore candidates. L if choice equals 2. Cast underscore vote. L if choice equals 3. Show underscore results. L if choice equals 4. Print. Exiting system. Break. Else. Print. Invalid choice. This version feels more like a small voting application. Preventing duplicate voting. A better voting system should stop the same voter from voting again. Example idea. Voted underscore users equals. Def cast underscore vote. Voter underscore name. If voter underscore name in voted underscore users. Print. You have already voted. Return. If the voter has not voted yet, the system records the vote and stores the voter's name. Example. Voted underscore users. Append. Voter underscore name. This introduces basic one vote per user logic. Example with voter name check. Candidates equals 1. Name. Alice. Votes. 0. 2. Name. Bob. Votes. 0. 3. Name. Charlie. Votes. 0. Closing curly bracket. Voted underscore users equals. Def show underscore candidates. Print. N candidates. Quote. For key. Candidate in candidates. Items. Print. F key. Candidate. Name. Closing curly bracket quote. Def cast underscore vote. Voter underscore name equals input. Enter your name. Quote. If voter underscore name in voted underscore users. Print. You have already voted. Return. Show underscore candidates. Choice equals input. Enter candidate number to vote. Quote. If choice in candidates. Candidates. Choice. Votes. Plus equals 1. Voted underscore users. Append. Voter underscore name. Print. Vote recorded successfully. Else. Print. Invalid candidate choice. This makes the project more realistic. Showing the winner. The system can also display the winner. Example: def show underscore winner. Winner equals max. Candidates. Values. Key equals lambda candidate. Candidate. Votes. Print. Winner. Quote. Winner. Name. Quote dash quote. Winner. Votes. Votes. This introduces useful logic for finding the maximum value. Concepts learned from this project. Building an online voting system helps beginners practice checkmark dictionaries, checkmark functions, checkmark loops, checkmark conditional statements, checkmark user input, checkmark counting logic, checkmark validation logic, checkmark record tracking. These are important concepts used in real applications. Real-life analogy. An online voting system is like an election booth. A voter sees the list of candidates, selects one option, submits the vote. The system adds that vote to the total. The program automates this process digitally. Ways to improve the online voting system. Once the basic version works, beginners can add more features. Examples: store voter IDs instead of names, save votes to a file, load previous voting data, add start and end time for voting, create an admin login, show vote percentages, build a GUI version, create a web-based voting system, use a database like SQLite or MySQL. These improvements can turn the project into a strong portfolio application. Saving votes to a file. A simple version can save results like this: def save underscore results with open results.txt w as file for candidate and candidates values. File right f candidate name candidate votes n. This makes the program more practical. Common mistakes beginners make when building an online voting system. Beginners often crossmark forget to validate the candidate choice. Crossmark allow the same user to vote multiple times. Crossmark use unclear variable names. Crossmark store all logic in one big block. Crossmark forget to handle empty or invalid input. These mistakes are normal and help beginners improve their coding and debugging skills. Where voting system logic is used. Voting system logic is used in school election systems, online polls, club and community elections, survey applications, decision-making platforms. Larger systems may also include authentication, voter verification, encrypted ballots, audit logs, admin monitoring. Simple definition: online voting system. A program that allows users to vote digitally, records the votes, and displays results. Final summary. The online voting system is an excellent beginner project because it teaches how to manage choices, user input, vote counting, and result reporting. It helps beginners learn checkmark dictionaries and data storage, checkmark input validation, checkmark counting and totals, checkmark duplicate vote prevention logic, checkmark menu-driven programming. By building this project, beginners gain practical coding experience and create a useful project for their resume or portfolio.